how to make a custom mockup in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom mockup in Canva. First we want to go to create a design and then select, let's say, t-shirt. Here we want to make a design for our own t-shirt. Let's say we want to change the background first, make it a bit gradient. Let's see, let's go for this one, and then we want to add in some elements. Then let's say we just put this guy in, make it a bit bigger in the center. If I want to add a text, I can go to text menu, I can click on add a heading. Drag this one up here, make it a little bit smaller, the center again. Okay, I want to put this one down a little bit, this one here. If I want to change the style, I can do that over here. And then I can add some more elements. So I want to add a dumbbell to create a small one here. Turn it into white. Change it to here. And once you're satisfied with the template, you can click on the share button. You want to click on the three dots that says more. And then you want to search for mockup. And if it's correct, it's going to bring you to smart mockups. You want to click on that one. Click on save. As you can see now it's being saved. And once it has been saved, you want to click on view in smart mockups. And here you can see how it will look on, let's say, a sweatshirt. So you click on sweatshirt, you go down. And as you can see here, it's already uploading my template, so I can see how it looks on sweatshirts. Maybe I want to see how it looks on tank tops, so I click on tank tops and it'll be loading into it. And here you see how it looks on tank tops, but also I can see how it looks on watches, laptops, magazine stickers, vehicles, maybe on some beverages. As you can see, it will upload it straight away, so you can get an idea on how it looks. And that is how you can make a custom mockup in Canva. I hope this video was welcome. Thank you for watching.